Hi. My name is Bryce. So, we're gonna watch Darn David episode 2. Alright, here we go.
Okay. Yung pusa, nakaamoy ng pagkain. Nagbabala.
Don't cry, Darn David. Daniel, Dad, look at my beautiful dress.
Ikaw, Nathan. It looks lovely.
Nathan!
Yes. I brought it for Dacia at the store.
Wait lang.
Why are you crying?
My favorite shirt is muddy.
Then just wear a new one. There wasn't any need to cry about it.
Then 2 minutes later.
All ready.
Darn David, you must wear your helmet before you ride your bicycle.
No.
Wait lang, Tita Ems. Oh. Oh dear.
Ay. Here.
Darn David, are you okay?
No.
This is why I tell you to wear a helmet.
The next day.
Darn David, I'll be off to the market. You can go play outside with your friends. And remember, be on your best behavior.
Okay.
Hello there, Darn David. Guess what? My tooth fell out this morning.
Really?
Yes.
Let's go to the park and play.
Darn David, would you like to take care of my tooth?
Yes, please. Whoa!
Nathan, you eat. You like the pasta?
No, I think I lost
Yes.
the tooth.
Yummy. Big mouth. Another one. 2. Wait. You like it? A little bit spicy, but you like it.
Darn
What?
David, why
You
are
don't
you
like
crying?
spicy?
I'm sorry.
But you need to
I
eat.
lost Sophie's tooth.
What is the dry thing over there? Let's find out. My tooth.
Hooray! It isn't lost.
But darn David, why were you crying? You know somebody your age shouldn't cry so much like you did for losing the tooth.
You could have just picked it up.
Or you could just tell us you have lost the tooth, so we could look for it together.
And you know, Darn David, crying because of such a situation shows us that you don't know what to do.
I'm sorry, everyone.
It's okay, David. Just don't cry like this. Next time, if there is a problem, think, not cry.
Okay. Good job, everyone. So, did you
Good
have
job,
fun?
everyone. No, you
Did
eat
you have
now.
fun,
Oh.
kids?
No.
Good this one. So, I like that Darn David too. So, please like and subscribe and hit the bell. So, subscribe, hit the bell, and like. So, please subscribe to Bryce Nathan Bautista B2 vlogs, and also finally Bluey Blogs. So, we'll see you next time. Goodbye.